Hello, and welcome back to Nat Scraps. My name is Natalie Koenig. Welcome back, or thanks for joining me today. If you don't know me, I paper craft. I'm here in Australia, in Victoria, and what I have to share today is I've been working with the Hello Darling from Uniquely Creative. So I had basically the creative kit, but I didn't use the creative kit. I used basically the 12 by 12s. I use the creative cuts which come in your creative kit, plus the Hello Darling Coral creative cuts, which is the girl creative cuts. Now, most of the layouts that I have created you could do for boy or girl by swapping out the coral for the, I think they're called aquamarine boy creative cuts. So that is the girl ones there on the back. You can see a lot of them. I did kind of half do a video with the stuff before I started. If you have the 12 by 12 papers and the creative cuts plus the other creative cuts, you could create every one of these layouts. I didn't use any papers twice, or I didn't use any more than what would come in your creative kit. That's what I'm trying to say. So this is actually what I've got left. So I still actually have a fair bit left. So I want you to pause and think, how many layouts do you think I've done? And we will check together. I think there's 8. Oops, told you to pause and then I just went on and blabbed it. Sorry, too late. And so I think I have 8 layouts. So let me bring them in so I can share them with you. So these aren't created to have lots to be overly embellished. They're created for you to be able to use some of your kit up, because I know we get these kits and they sit in our cupboards and you guys go, how do you store those Uniquely Creative kits? We don't want you storing the kits, we want you using the kits. So here we go. This is the first double page spread. Now, one of the things with this, it is like a baby collection, but if you there's sides of the paper that aren't babyish. So you can make these without them being baby related. There's a couple of my layouts that no, that's not going to work, but you know, there's some that will work. Here, if you took off that welcome baby and you put, you know, beautiful girl or wonderful day, whatever else on it, this could be a general layout. It has a couple of little elements like bundle of joy, snuggle time. Again, they could be easily swapped out for something else. Apart from that, you could still have those cute little bunny rabbits on there, and the congratulations. There is the first layout. That is a double page spread, so that is number 1. Number 2 is a single. And there is, I don't know if I've already said this, but there is videos for each and every single one of these. I will get them edited up. Hopefully they will launch in the next week. So you can go and check which layouts that you want to create and create along with me. So this one, I cut a large E on my Cricut machine. I backed that in a green. Now the green that I have used on these layouts is from Uniquely Creative. I can't quite remember the name of it, but if you wanted to know exactly what color the green was, you could just leave a question below and I will get back to you. I'm going to just quickly change out my glasses because I have the wrong glasses on to be able to see my screen. There we go. It's much better. So this one is definitely baby specific. The kit comes with so many cute little elephants and little animals and bits and pieces. It is so darling. So that is layout number 2. Layout 3 again is very baby specific, and it is a double layout. I have used the blocks that are on some of the papers, and we've had this fun time creating this gorgeous little border of blocks to create this page. That is a layout 3. Not much more I can say about that one. Probably very much baby specific. This is layout 4. This is one of the ones that's not so baby specific, and you could create this one and have this for a photo of you and your mum. You could have it for a little girl photo. You could have it for a family historical photo. Very neutral. You could do whatever you would like with this one. What was that one? That one is number 4. Number 5, another single page. This one again is a little bit more baby centric, but if you took these out and put flowers along here, you could definitely change it up from that. It's a little like a little nursery scene here with all the little bits and pieces. Now this one does have a video. On the video I didn't have this green strip. I actually added that later. Hopefully I'll show that at the very end of the video. Layout 5. Layout 6 is this one. And this one, it does have a sweet baby there. Take that off and you could use this for birthday photos or something else of your liking. You could swap out this quite easily for anything else, and you could put whatever you like on there. Is that 6? No, I've lost count. Well, somebody will tell me. This one, another single, and this one is like a first birthday. Now this is using the same background paper as this layout here. Check out how different these look. If you put these side by side in the album, yes, somebody might go, that's the exact same papers, but they actually have a completely different look from each other, which I really like. And the very last one, I never know what to do with all the florals I quite often have laying around after the page. This one literally took me 20 minutes and it could be done. So I started off, and if you do get a chance, watch the video. See, I created this without having the animals and the little sort of baby items in there. So you could take those out and it was not a baby layout. It could put beautiful or something else there as a title, and you wouldn't have. Now you might ask why I don't have photos on my is because I have a grandniece that's just joined our family, but we've been asked not to put photos up on YouTube or social media, so I'm obeying by that. I will pop photos on these once I've shared them with everyone. There you go. So that is our 8 layouts from the Darling Hello Darling collection. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of the layouts. Let me know what videos you want first so I can pop them up for you as fast as I can get them made. And hopefully this will inspire you to crack open that collection and starting to get creative. Remember, we don't buy craft products to hoard, girls. We buy them to use. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we will see you soon. Take care.